Shake your body.
Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Guess what I'm doing? So I got a buzzy contactor. I mean, I might have something to do with it. I didn't bring any tools, guys. We're just gonna look around here for a second. They said this thing's not working. The compressor's on, it's hot. This is very hot. And this is kind of cool. Let's see. I'm gonna just stick our finger in there. Do the beer can cold method. It's cold. So, got a buzzing contactor though. See that? But other than that, it's working. Check the blower motor. I'm sure that's working. If that wasn't working, we have a bigger problem. We got that fan working. The filters are not that bad. It's sweating back. It's got water on it. The filters aren't that bad. Dang it. They're complaining it's not cooling down there, but I did find the thermostat halfway up, which puts them at 77 degrees. Alright, blower fan's working. Outside filter probably needs to be changed. That belt is skipping a little bit. I'm actually going to do something real quick. I'm gonna turn this off for a second. I'm gonna look at this belt. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's got some cracks in it. I could hear it. So it's, hate that shit, man. That thing's hot. 50. It's a BX code 1. I'll just take a picture of it. Whatever. Oh yeah, B40. A B40, and look at that. Yeah, it's cracked. So yeah, we'll let it run right now, but at least I know that, you know, while I'm up here I might as well go ahead and inspect all these guys. Usually I inspect the belts, the filters, compressor running, stuff like that. And it's about time for us to get back up here with our water hoses, spray these suckers out, spray them down, get them back to new condition. But that belt is up. So I can hear it bouncing around and stuff. I might actually have another belt. If I do, I'll come back up here and put it on. If I don't, y'all won't even see the video, because I'm pretty sure somebody else is going to do it. So that's how it goes around here. I'm gonna pick and choose your funness and stuff. But as the outside filters are, whoo, yeah boy, it is time. It's time to get up here and do something. Get to work, Jeff. Dang it. Wait for that one to do its computer synchronization, and this one's running quieter than ever. I can't even hear it. Yep, hot. And cold over here. This one's looking good. I mean, it's working. These are, this is a makeup area, I think. No, this is, yeah, it's working. I mean, it's sweating back. The filters don't look that bad. But if I come up here with a hose to hose down all these units, and I'm gonna come up here and say it's happy. It's so happy that variable speed motor in here is actually just barely spinning for maximum efficiency. So if there's one problem with any of these units, while I'm up here, I just go ahead and inspect all the, I don't need to be in all that. Nah, I just need to check something. I know this one's working, cause yeah, there's sight glasses right there. Oh, yeah, a little bit of, I guess that's oil, I hope. It's all factory stuff. Again, every time there's a problem, I have to come up here, and if I'm up here, I might as well go around inspecting the place. And here's why. Because I think it's this unit that is, it's not running. Because I just lowered all the thermostats. Let's see if it's tripped out on high. No such luck. Nope. No high, switchies. Unloader. 3 flash, which is a compressor protection trip. Okay. Let's see what error codes we get up here. Status 1 and 2. We're looking for status. There we go. Maybe it was trip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 5. We're going to be looking for 1 and a 5 here. 1, 5 push button override. Yep, I did push that button. And I knew it did. But it's running now. It was kicked off on high, and why does it kick off on high, Jeff? Because we blew another ECM motor. Ooh, no! Damn it, man. I mean, this is a stupid crap, dude. I don't have this problem with other air conditionings. Why isn't this one working? Let's find out, shall we? Maybe it's satisfied. Maybe I don't have the training or something to be working on these. But I'm gonna see if it's something easy. And now at least I know what to call the AC guys out here and say, hey, bring ECM motor. Okay, 1, 2, well, we're gonna have to wait. Alright, so here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Emergency shutdown. That tells me a lot, doesn't it? Why did you emergency shut down? Because you don't have any head pushing? That's not tripped. That's not tripped. Again, these all have the ECM condenser fan motors on them. Golly, guys, I cannot make this up, guys. I cannot. Dang gummit. Let's keep this one off for a second, clear the codes. Let's make sure we keep it off long enough to clear those codes. We'll come back over to this one. It's gonna shut off on high head. Yeah, there's heat pouring out of this thing. And it's already shut down. It's already, yep. It's already shut down. So bad ACM motor on this unit. We don't know what's on this unit yet. So let's turn this back on. Let's let this do its reboot thing. And the one that went over there, I mean, guys, I cannot make this up. This happens all the damn time, and it's always a actual problem with the unit. It's not like, oh, we'll just reboot it and then they start working again. But okay, this one, bad belt, and that's MAU2. Yeah. So, alright, we'll come back over here. This one's running. The fan's barely spinning, so I think it's happy. There's a lot of heat coming out of that though. I would think it's supposed to be spinning a little faster than that, but I'm no technician. But whatever. Let's go over here before this thing fires up and does what it's supposed to be doing or something. That one's never gonna fire up, so this one, why in the hell is it making that much damn noise? Oh my god. Listen to that. It sounds like it's about to fall apart. Jesus Christ, that blower motor in there is about... Y'all hear that? Wow, dude. Whoa, buddy. Wow. Another thing, the fan's still ain't running. Listen to that. Listen. I hear it. I just heard it shut down. Stop. 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 Alright, there it goes. This one's giving me 1, 2, 3 blinky code. Listen to that. Y'all hear all that bull crap going on, man? Hold on, I'm listening. 2, 3, 4. Run. Run. I bet you got an alarm. I can't even see it. F6000. This one's putting a OU alarm out. I don't know if y'all guys can see that. It says OU. I can barely see it. Yeah, OU. It's an alarm. This one's an alarm. Double B's. BB. Fan. I forget what that is. But it's in these manuals somewhere. But like, you know, there's really no reason for me to be like digging that deep into this stuff. So, wow. That's cool. Yeah. Thanks again, guys. Wasting my time. I mean, I'm up here more than I like to be. So, I gotta write this shit down. It's like so stupid. I'm just gonna put it on my phone. But this unit, bad blower. Jeff 210. Watch this.
Go ahead.
You got a pen and paper handy to you?
Yeah, I can get one. Hang on. Okay.
Okay, write this down. MAU1. Bad blower motor, making sounds that sounds like a cat being drug into a generator.
The blower motor for the indoor air part, or for the cooling fins?
The indoor cooling part.
Okay. And then RTU1, bad ACM motor. Gotta love this. That's lovely.
And I think it's at MAU, MAU2. The fan belt needs to be replaced on the the blower motor on the outside of the unit. I can do the fan belt, but the other two, I can't do that.
Yep, I will get right close. Maybe I'll just jump tomorrow.
Guys, can't make this crap up, man. And we'll see if I'm right or not later, but I'm going down the hole. Down the hole. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. My little family of AAON units is acting up again. You have a great day. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Take care. Stay safe.